Hello everybody and welcome to another Tech Minute video. My name is Tom from 6 Foot Networks. I'm joined here today with the Mr. 27-inch iMac. We're going to demonstrate target disk mode for you. So what is target disk mode? So if you have a disk like this that's inside the computer, and let's say you can't boot to this drive for whatever reason, there's failure or corruption on the disk, or there's just something wrong with this drive that's preventing this computer from booting. And common symptoms would be the little blinking folder, that means that the system folder is gone, or the little circle with the line through it, that just basically means your permissions are hosed and you pretty much need some advanced repair. But on a brighter side, if you ever get to a point where you can't boot the computer, you can use target disk mode to effectively still gain contents, or if it's not a bad failure, you can still get the contents off of this. And essentially what target disk mode does is it converts the iMac into a Thunderbolt drive enclosure. The whole thing becomes just a glorified Thunderbolt enclosure. And that allows you to tie two Macs together via Thunderbolt cable, and the computer that's booted into target disk mode will essentially show up as a drive on the laptop or whatever you have attached to it to try to restore functionality, run diagnostics, and it literally shows up just as a mounted disk. So like when you plug in a flash drive, it shows up on a desktop. That's what this computer would essentially be too. And it's a great tool because you don't have to boot the drive to do remedial diagnostics. For example, this disk used to be inside this iMac and it failed to the point where there was nothing recoverable. It looked like it got destroyed, and then several attempts at reinstalling the OS just made it worse. And we ended up just tearing this out and putting in an SSD that actually made the computer about 3 or 4 times faster, which is great. But back to target disk mode. So I tried target disk mode to get the data off the computer, but it failed. And this is how I did it. So power button's over here. So you push the power button, and right immediately when you hear you hit the letter T on the keyboard. So before that sound actually finishes, you want to make sure that your hand is down on the letter T. And you'll know if you're in target disk mode because you'll see that. That is a lightning bolt, or the Thunderbolt logo. And then you let go of the keyboard, and now your computer is booted in this mode that allows it to be basically slave to another Mac computer via Thunderbolt. Newer computers only support Thunderbolt. The older ones will still do Thunderbolt and FireWire. Whatever you have, if you have an older Mac, this will apply to that too. So that's how you get into Thunderbolt, and then effectively to get out of it, you just turn it off. You push and hold until the lightning bolt goes away and everything goes black. Right? So this is a working computer, so if I turn it on, it'll actually boot to the disk. But anyway, we'll turn it off. We don't need it. Yeah, see, it's booting. So anyway, I hope that helps you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you really like this video, then please consider subscribing, as it really allows us to grow a little bit more and create more content like this for you guys. So good luck, and until next time, thank you for watching.